Chalo dal banate hai, meaning let's make dal. First, you're gonna need 1 cup of yellow split peas, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, this I bought in the toko, a small onion, 4 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, salt to liking, and pepper, whatever pepper you like, which is also optional. 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, and 2 handfuls of spinach, okra, or tayerblad. Add 1 cup of split peas to the pot with water. Add your spices. It took me about an hour to cook the dal, but you can also use a pressure cooker to minimize the cooking time. Now you're gonna cook it until the water evaporates, and every time it evaporates a bit, you add more water to it so the peas can get soft. Make sure you taste it, because as you add more water, you'd probably need to add more salt. When it's turning soft, you add your spinach. Stir it a bit and let it cook for a little while longer. As that cooks, you add onion and garlic to some hot oil and leave that fry. Until it's golden brown. And when it's done, you add it to your dal. Stir it a bit, and voila, your dal is done.